My recommendation is that you can work with RivaNET. They are a great bunch of guys. They will do their utmost to help you, and they will always come up with the best solution they can find.
When one is working with a company, you need to get behind the company and engage with individuals. And so my advice is absolutely I endorse RivaNET, but not because of the company name, it's because of the individuals behind it.
Oh, I would recommend RivaNET. I think they're very good in terms of the actual engineers. When they come on site, they're very good at what they do. But I think ultimately it's that really grasp of the education sector and what it is, the needs of the education sector in IT, I think is where their real strength is. And they do it much better than any other consultancy I've worked with so far.
RivaNET are one of the very few suppliers, I would say, who get it from the customer's point of view. They are technically very expert, they know what they're talking about. And you can quite quickly tell when someone doesn't really know what they're talking about. If you've got particular requirements that you want to meet, what you don't want is a bunch of flannel about, well, we'll come down and we can talk through various things. What you want is someone that has ideally been there before, understands what the issues are, and can offer you good advice and not just sell you things. And that's one of the things I genuinely think RivaNET are really good at. They've got people who have done it before in a world-class environment, and they've got the experience that I can lean on to make my job easier.
I would definitely recommend RivaNET. I think the relationship that RivaNET has with the resellers gives them extremely good position in the market to recommend devices, to recommend resellers. They know the education sector inside out. The level of knowledge and expertise that we have seen through all the engineers that we've dealt with has been excellent, and the route through to escalated support back to the manufacturers has always been there.
I've actually already recommended 2 other colleges to them, and I recommended RivaNET for the service, for the products, and they've been using it. Possibly a third one coming as well.